Other shit going on, some weird ass shit.
What it do, gang? I know I'm about to go crazy. Pree's inside the apartment right now. I actually stepped out to the car to give y'all a brief. What I'm about to do, she been pranking me lately or whatever. I'll give her kudos. I ain't no hate or whatever. But today I'm about to hit her where it hurt, and that's with her food. Pree's really hungry. We just got up, got dressed and everything. She ended up fixing all her hair, little curls. I'm about to piss her off so bad with her food. I gotta just get her back. My game is sending me all these ideas to do. Can't let the day go by without getting her. I'm about to basically be sneezing in her food. I'm gonna sneeze all in her food, and I know she's gonna get mad because she's hungry. Y'all comment down below team fruit. I'm talking about splut in the comments and let me know that you rocking with me. Y'all flood the comments with some yellow hearts. Let me know that y'all love the kids still. I want to be around my supporters. So basically me and PREE been talking about doing a barbecue, and even on our live, a lot of y'all was pitching the idea doing a barbecue, y'all. And I'm talking about all of our supporters are welcome to come, and I want everybody to come, everybody to show out. We're gonna have more details on the situation, but I just gotta, you know, tell y'all a little something. Doing pre-barbecue, y'all. We're gonna just have a bunch of smaller YouTubers there. Y'all just come through, show up. We just gonna be vibing. I'm talking about we gonna be acting like we family. My family, like y'all watch us all the time, and we just really want to be around y'all, and we want to try to be around us, get a feel of us and who we really is and how it really is, because I feel like watching somebody on the camera and actually being around somebody is totally two different things. And I'm saying, if you a hater, you can come too. Like, we ain't tripping on none of that. We're gonna have people that's post, make sure that haters just stay haters, keep themselves as a hater and just sit there mad. But to the ones that love us and everything, I feel like it'll be good. But y'all just stay tuned for the whole video. Y'all, I'm about to get PREE reaction, and let's get it. You want some Wendy's, babe?
Yeah, I want some nuggets.
What you about to get?
Some fries.
I need some new sports bras. These is not giving what I want them to give out.
I want a 444.
They giving me.
I want to go.
This bra giving me granny. I'm not fucking with it.
That bra, you need to go back to Macy's and get you a new bra.
I know. I need to rack the fuck up. I need to actually pay my Macy's credit card. Actually, that's how it is.
Who rubber band you got on?
My mama's.
Why you stealing your mama's shit?
It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. What one is that though?
Over here.
It's giving ghetto as hell. My mama told me not to come around this side.
She said back that way.
I ain't gonna lie, baby. The lady though, she was thick as
You
hell.
really got my fucking arm hurt.
She was thick. She was light skinned.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, that shit is fine.
Yeah. The dude in the parking lot was puff. Tatted out.
Ain't no tatted. What you talking about?
What the fuck is you talking about?
Dunkin' Donut.
I don't want that. I want Wendy's.
I don't want that shit either.
Yeah, I want some Wendy's.
Ew, they serve at breakfast. 30.
It's not 10:30 no more, so enter.
Oh,
and give me a fucking
Stop telling me not to
give
go
me
there.
a 4 for 4.
It's giving creepy. It's giving honey.
4 for 4.
Alright, I'm gonna get you what you want. I'm gonna get you what you want. I'm gonna get you what you want.
Hot honey chicken biscuit.
Nobody-
That look good. Hot honey chicken biscuit.
I'm not getting that. Don't get that. I'm telling you.
I'm not. Roll the window down.
So what you finna get? Let's get our menu and shit together. Bro, relax.
I already told you that.
You
A 4 for 4
relax. You hungry?
A 4 for 4 and a 4-piece nuggets for him.
Okay, well I'm trying to figure out what I want. Na 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 na. What you wanna rush for?
I'm hungry.
Okay, you got
know when
crusted
you
shit all
hungry?
in your face.
Lick it off. Lick it off.
They got me fucked up.
All
I
right.
don't like licking crusted shit. You been slobbering and shit. I been told you about that shit when we left out before we
Girl,
even left
shut
out.
up. My face dry because
Been walking around crusted
Because
out.
I've been
It's way
drinking
over there.
soda.
Ew, you been slobbering and shit.
don't say nothing because when your shit be right here, I don't say shit
I'm
to
saying,
you.
babe, you got slob and shit all on the side of your
Wipe
face.
it off.
You wipe that shit. I told you about that shit before we
Why
left
didn't you order me some food?
I'm trying to see what I
Damn.
want.
I'm
I
fucking
want
hurt.
number 1, number 2, or number 3. So I want number 1, number 2, or number 3. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see what I want to get.
Hurry, she's talking to you. Say one
Oh.
moment.
Oh, one moment, please. One moment, ma'am.
Okay.
Let me see what it is that I want. Oh, checkers look nice, babe. Why we right now?
Babe, I'm hungry.
I'm just saying, it looked real good. It looked real good over there. They food be fresh as hell. Okay, so let me see. What am I gonna get?
They food be nasty. How they cook out of that little ass steak? Come on.
Can you wait?
I'm hungry. You should have had what you had. How many times you done been at Wendy's?
Ooh, they got that strawberry. They got that
Oh, fucking
I think I'm gonna go ahead and do. Let me see who's texting me. What?
Order the fucking food. I'm
Why you
hungry.
texting
Like
me?
you playing.
All right. Hello.
Yeah, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm sorry, ma'am.
She even waiting for you.
I'm gonna do
a 4 for 4.
I'm gonna do a 4 for 4.
Would you need cheeseburger for 10 sauce?
A junior bacon.
A junior bacon for the drink.
Bacon is gonna be the $5 biggie bag.
I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
Okay, the junior bacon is gonna be the $5 piggy bag.
Okay, what?
The $5 piggyback.
Yeah.
Yeah, the junior bacon is no longer on our menu.
Just sauce?
I'ma just do some barbecue.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna get another 4 for $4, the junior bacon as well.
Get a 4-piece
And
nugget.
for the 4-piece nugget. What up, baby?
Yes, I'm ready to eat.
Can I get a receipt? We need to make another start the sounds.
How you gonna take me one time apart?
Pretty relaxed. No, it's just food. Fast food at that. It's not good for you anyways. Right?
Girl, be quiet. When you don't get food, when you don't get food, you be mad too. So be quiet.
I'm just saying, chill.
Get your food. Can I get it, sir?
And I will do that, just that. Cry, baby. Wait!
Here, BJ. Here.
Ah, let me pray. Thank you, Lord, for the food of my receipt,
Yeah.
for nourishment of my body, in the name of Jesus, I pray, amen.
Here.
Let me see what you got.
No, I got the same thing you got.
I was gonna say if you had another,
Eat chicken nuggets. My favorite.
oh, ain't give me no sauce. See something?
That's your business. There ain't no sauce in here. Let me see, baby. What is you doing? Why the fuck would you do that
came
shit?
out.
No, it didn't.
You hit me
No,
in my
it
face.
didn't.
Relax.
Why would you do that?
I have bad allergies. It just happened. You know my allergies.
Why did you do
bad.
that shit on my food?
You know my allergies is bad.
Move.
My allergies, bro. You sat there and clumped me in my head about some food. Like, chill.
Yeah, I would not do that to your food.
My allergies.
I'm
It don't came out. You know nobody can't start no sneeze, bro.
Fuck you talking
Bring it
about?
up. Okay, man.
Get the fuck on. Get the fuck on. It's not your sauce. They should have gave you a sauce.
Bro, I don't got no
I
sauce.
don't care.
So you finna act
Not
nasty?
her.
Just because I accidentally sneezed on your
You
food?
didn't accidentally. That's not no real sneeze. You did that shit on purpose. Why the fuck would you do some shit like that?
You know when you sneeze, you can't control it. It's coming out.
All right, but you could have put my fucking fries down, my food down.
Yeah, you wanted me to throw it, and it was right there on the tip of my nose, and I'm... Boom. You put too much perfume on this bitch.
Let me go.
Boom.
I have every right to slap the fuck out of you right
If you
now.
put your hands on me, my
I have every right to. I have every right to slap the fuck out of you right now, right? Right? Cause you did that shit on purpose. Why is you only sneezing on my fucking food?
Bam.
Why are you only sneezing on my food? That's dirty. That's germy. That's nasty. I want to eat just like you. Take me back around.
Take you back around for what?
Take me back around to Wendy's. That's what you can do. Take me back around to
what
Wendy's.
though?
Take me back to Wendy's.
I'm not taking you back around.
Take me back to Wendy's.
I can't control the
Take me
accident.
back to Wendy's.
I can't control the accident.
And I pay for my own food. Take me back to Wendy's. Matter of fact, take me home and I'll go out and get my own fucking food since you got an allergic reaction to some shit right now.
Allergic reaction.
Take me back to Wendy's.
You put on a lot of perfume this morning.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
It's like we put on different varieties of shit. Knowing that my allergies is bad. When you put on perfume, put on one scented perfume, bro.
Please take me
That's
to
bad
Wendy's.
4 times.
Please take me to Wendy's. Let me see if we got the same thing.
Will you?
No, let me see.
No, I checked your bag already.
No, I just want to check.
No, I checked already.
She okay? Give me.
Give you what?
Give me your bag.
For what?
I just want to see something.
There's nothing in this bag for you.
You ain't even apologize, no, none of that shit. You just sneezed and got the fuck on and eat your food happily ever after while my food full of germs.
I'm sorry for sneezing on your food, baby.
Okay, now.
I'm not infected. I kiss you every day. It was a sneeze.
But you sneeze, booger, snot come out your nose, out
Ain't
your
no
mouth.
boogers on my goddamn. My nose is dry as hell. Eat your food, baby. Baby, eat.
Please don't.
So you better act like I'm just turned out, huh?
Talk to me.
You better act like I'm
Don't
just-
talk to me.
You finna treat me like I'm a germ.
The first food of the fucking day, you want to sneeze on my shit. Sneeze on that shit nighttime.
I would do that, but I'm saying my allergy.
I'm thirsty.
You thirsty? Okay, baby. Let me get some of your food.
We got the same thing.
No, let me get some of your. Don't touch my bag. Don't touch my bag. I'm so serious. Don't touch my shit.
Why can't I touch your food?
Don't touch
I mean,
my
fiance
food.
though.
Every time you touch my food, you keep sneezing on that shit. Why the fuck you ain't sneeze on your food yet? Since your allergies is acting up, why the fuck you ain't sneeze on your food?
It's not coming.
You
out
got me
there.
cussing in front of him and shit, cause you want to be nasty.
Stop cursing in front of the kids.
No, you want to be nasty.
You want to sneeze on that?
Give me,
You must.
give me. Let me show you how I feel. Let me show if you still want to eat it or not.
No,
Let me show you.
I'm good. I'm
No,
vibe.
let me show you.
I'm vibe.
Let me
No,
show
I ain't
you.
gonna sneeze no more.
One.
It's just the air hitting it and it's slapping the shit out of me, and it's like the fragrance is just coming.
So why haven't you sneezed on your food?
Your food got your scent on it, so when it come close to me,
You just said something about the air. I'm confused. Which one is it? Stop
I'm saying the
lying.
air is
Stop
pushing your
lying.
scent
Stop
over here.
lying. Stop lying.
So you think I'm just gonna purposely
Look at
just
you.
sneeze?
Look at you enjoying your food happily. He's enjoying his food. What the fuck am I enjoying?
Put your
This
food
shit
up.
is germy. I
Your
don't want
food is
it. I don't
cold.
want it. I don't want it. I really don't want it.
You got mom.
Come on, give it to me.
All right, let me have yours.
No, don't touch my shit. Give
You
me
can have 2
yours.
fries, baby. I ain't
Give
gonna
me
get
yours. Give me yours.
That's how I race to the shop with you.
Give me yours. I just want to show you how I feel. Let me see if
If
you
you
still
get
eat
mine,
yours.
I'm having yours.
Let me see if you still eat yours. You want to sneeze on other people's stuff? Let me show you how I feel.
You be having butter and shit. I ain't got time.
Come on, and you be having butter and black shit in your teeth too, and green shit. So come on,
Come
on. Come on. come on. Let me show you. No, ain't shit funny. Now you gotta run that back.
I used to put on my
Matter of fact, I
fucking
want to go to Zaxby's. How about that? You take me to Zaxby's.
I don't think you know it.
No, go to Zax. I'm not eating this, bro. I'm
Better
not.
eat that fofo. Better eat that fofo. Better eat that fofo. Better eat that fofo. What's wrong with you? I'll get some more food. You hear me?
No.
Now you crying and shit. I don't got time.
No, I'm hungry just like you. Y'all eating y'all nuggets and fries peacefully. My shit is germy and wet.
I'm your fiance. Why can't you eat off of me?
There's a difference between you take a bite and I take a bite after. But the difference is you sneezed on my shit.
All right. You go have these.
I don't want them. I want my own food. Then you eat all the fucking stuff. Just take me back to Wendy's. Just take me back.
I'm not going back there.
Just take me back to
It's
Okay,
your
go to
fault.
Zaxby's.
Yeah,
Go to Zaxby's.
I'm dirty or some shit. I'm
Okay, I don't have no more barbecue sauce. I can't eat my nuggets like that.
I
You
got
done ate all
barbecue
my
sauce.
fucking
I got
where?
barbecue sauce.
Where?
crying, bro.
Give me your nuggets too.
I ate all of those. I demolished some shit, so I ain't gonna lie to you. So I keep trying to offer you fries.
I don't even want to pull out my burger because you gonna sneeze on that too.
Eat your food, man. Anybody finna sneeze on your shit. Damn, you saying like you gotta be a security guard to your food. Relax, bro. I'm your partner, bro. I'm still the same person I was last night.
Okay,
And
but
I'm
you ain't
putting
gotta
that
sneeze
work
on
in.
stuff. And not once did you sneeze on your shit.
It's not. They come when they wanna come. You know that. You know that's how allergies and shit work. I have really bad allergies. You witnessed that.
All right, stop talking to me. Got some other shit going on, some weird ass shit.
You ain't gonna say bless you. You ain't gonna say
Why
nothing.
did you sneeze that way?
Why would I sneeze on a window when it's a
Why would you
bunch of
sneeze
cars?
on my food? You don't like how that shit feel, right?
And not one time. I sneezed
I
about
don't
4 to 5
care. I
times.
don't
And
care.
not one time they just say
you don't even
bless
sneeze
you.
like that. You playing right now. You playing with my food right now because you don't even sneeze like that.
So you're not gonna say bless you?
You don't sneeze like that.
So you're not
That
gonna say
wasn't a real
bless you to me?
sneeze.
Seriously, that shit crazy.
You
bro.
playing with me.
Every time you sneeze, I say bless you.
You're
That's
playing. No,
disrespectful
you
as fuck.
don't.
Your mama
No,
should've
you
taught
don't.
some manners.
No, you don't.
She should have
No,
taught
you don't.
She should have
No,
taught
you
you some
don't.
manners.
You
'cause
playing
rude
with
as
me.
fuck.
You playing with
I
me.
just sneezed.
Shut up.
I sneezed.
Shut up.
I sneezed.
Shut up.
Bless me. Fuck is you talking about?
Bless you. Bless yourself.
You don't give a fuck about a
Fuck you
nigga, bro.
mean?
Nigga over here sneezing and my
Sneezing on my
allergies and
fucking
shit going
food.
off and you don't even give a fuck. Yeah. Fuck, bro. Nigga shit really done. Itchy, like.
Go outside the car and sneeze. Get all the sneezes that you want.
Why you acting like I got an
Outside the
infection or
car.
some shit?
Cause I don't know, for some reason you keep sneezing on my food. That's
trying to hold it.
disrespectful.
I'm trying to hold it.
There's nothing wrong with you.
No, like my allergies, it acts up, babe. Seriously, I've been going through this shit since I was a little ass fucking kid. My eyes used to turn yellow. Like, I'm telling you, bro, my allergies is bad as fuck. Allergy season, my eyes be itchy as fuck. Fuck, I'm telling you.
Your allergy season was way in April.
It's coming back. The pollens and shit. It's pollens. Look at
It
that.
ain't
Ain't
no
that, you see that
pollen.
pollen right there sitting in that car? Clumped out. It's pollen all throughout the shit. That weird you got, what the fuck is in your hair?
Barbecue sauce, cause you want to sneeze on people's food.
I did not get this in your hair. Babe, you have barbecue
I
sauce
bet.
all
You
in
ain't
your
gotta touch it. You
shirt.
ain't gotta touch it. You ain't gotta touch it. I'm good. That's a shirt.
I didn't do that.
You don't have to touch
You
it.
did that. Oh shit.
B now. B for bus. For Brandon. For Brandon.
Turn that way. Turn that way.
Babe, why are you pushing my fucking head?
Cause you fucking playing right now. This a joke?
Why would I just sit around and play?
No, is this a joke?
No, I'm saying, why would I just sit around and just play?
Cause who the
like-
fuck? You don't do all that for real.
Why you over there with your food? Why your food gotta be weird? Babe, stop doing me like that. Nah, I would prank you though. That shit was funny as hell. Nah, for real. I felt bad though. Like, that felt fucked up. But I'm like, damn, I'm your partner still. Why you gotta act like I'm a germ? Like, me, like, we don't be talking it down. It was a prank. You can put your food back. I'm not finna sneeze on it. Eat your burger and shit. Be your shit get cold. I felt so bad I would let your shit cold out like that.
Without
Damn,
you,
it
without
was
you
a
on the car.
prank. Like, bomb. Now see how serious she's taking it? Like, I'm not gonna go overboard now. It's over with. I just want to get you and sneeze on your shit. Remember that time?
Why sneeze though?
I know. Remember that time back then? You had them coughed all on my food and shit?
I don't remember that.
I remember it like it was yesterday.
I don't remember that.
And I was pissed off.
I don't remember that.
So that was what made me don't feel bad. I think I was hungry as shit that day too. And you were coughing on my shit. So I just decided to return the favor. I find I'm a little Team Fruit if I'm the best team on the channel, because we already know that I'm the best team on the channel. But I love y'all so much,
Whack.
Pin Up Gang. Y'all
Whack.
already know how I'm coming about y'all. I'm not
Whack.
playing about y'all, bro.
Whack.
I told y'all it's prank wars. People been thinking that she clean, she went on the channel. Bro, it's over with, bro. I'm coming back to back, bro.